Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Monday, February 2nd. So we came in this morning. Asia was down pretty good. Europe was down 2% or better, and so we started right down on their heels of that. Early this morning, it had a sort of a free fall feel to it. There were just no buyers around. The sell-off happened so quickly. It's Monday. A lot of guys watch on Mondays too. They don't even trade, trying to get a feel for the market. So we got all the way down to our battleground low again in the Dow and some of the other indexes. But the good news is that the market did not have a meltdown. With all the bad news and all the uncertainty and the fact that they're squabbling over the bill again, I told you yesterday the market absolutely hates uncertainty. So with all that I'd call bad news, the market is still holding on to these lows. I may be talking a different tune tomorrow, but as of right now, the evidence says that those lows held. Actually, a couple of the indexes that we watch, the NASDAQ market, the Qs, and the Russell 2000 actually closed up on the day. So that was encouraging, bouncing off that low. Not only did they close up on the day, but they closed almost on the high of the day. So that's encouraging. Now, the Dow and the S&P 500 did not close up on the day, but they certainly closed off the lows of the day. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Like I said, the good news is that the market did not have a meltdown. Those lows held. Those lows are key. They're important to me. Now, one of my readers wrote in, and he wanted to know if those lows get taken out and the November low gets taken out, is it possible that we could have another down leg on the downside, like another, 1,000, 2,000 points? Now, anything is possible in this business, but what we need to play is the probabilities. What is the probabilities of that happening? And those lows to me are important lows. We could go down and test them. We could break them, maybe a minor low. But I think even if we want to break those lows, that we need to have some sort of substantial rally, out of this area before we come back down. Most times, when an index gets to a major support area or a resistance area, it never gets through it on the first attempt. And this is really our first attempt down to this 7,400, 7,600, this 8,000 area. And I can't put a particular, round number on where the support is. It's this area down in here. So this is our first trip down here since we've made those highs 18 months ago. So even if we want to break it, I still think we need to get like a 1,000-point rally somewhere down the road. And if we come back down again and retest them a year from now, there's probably a stronger chance that they'll break then than right now. Because remember, this is our first trip down to these areas since 2003. So I would guess that the likelihood of them holding for a substantial rally are greater than breaking through on this try down. That's why I'm still holding on to this concept that this is an important area down here, and I'm going to give the market the benefit of the doubt. So if those November lows do get broken, I may have to rethink my strategy, but I'm not going to anticipate that happening. That's got to happen first. I have to see it happen before we can even talk about it. Right now, I just holding on to the fact that this first trip down to this support area should hold. It's taking an awful long time to get going on the upside, but patience is a virtue. Okay, no new ideas, too many stocks in my portfolio, so let's go take a look at the major indexes. Okay, daily bar chart of the Dow Jones averages, and this is the battleground low that I've been referring to, and it comes into play here also with this somewhere. This whole area down in here, I believe, is the key area. Like I said, I don't know if it's 7,400, 7,600, or 8,000, but it's this general area here. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. But as of right now, the fact that this battleground low held today, I mean, I can't say it's absolutely bullish. It's it should hold. Let me put it that way. But we'll see. All right, let's go take a look at some of the other indexes. Okay, this is the Russell 2000, and this is what I was talking about when we closed up on the day and actually closed on the high of the day. Never really got to the battleground low, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. It almost looks like a reversal day, but we won't know until tomorrow because we need a fight. If it is a reversal day, we should get a follow through tomorrow. Okay, daily bar chart of the SPY, which is basically the Standard & Poor's 500. Closed down just a wee bit. Closed at the higher end of its range and never really got down as low as the battleground low. So there's a little bit of wiggle room here. This could come back down here and test this tomorrow morning. Okay, and lastly, the QQQQs closed up on the day, closed on the higher end of the range. And that's an important support area I do not want to see violated. Now, the NASDAQ market is acting better than the Dow, technically. Doesn't go down as much. And, you know, probably rallies better. The pattern is even stronger looking than the Dow. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, but this is a key area. I don't want to see this a close below this this area right in here. Okay, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Until tomorrow, that's my view of the market. This is TK signing off.